Over here, Calabrese. Social distancing. But got some very bad news. In 3 weeks, this thing, like Riverside, will be history. Yes, I am wearing a mask while I am filming this. That's right. The 1971 Cantons at Calabrese are beating MODED. So we're going to take one final bite and we're going to listen to this epic motor. I wonder where all this stuff will be at now. And I wonder what happened to these car doors. 3, 2, 1. Rest in peace, Canton. Here we go. Watch it level. A little bit of classic leveling there. We'll get one last cat view. This was a nice Canton lift, but just like any other good old lift, it's about to be on its way out. The other one is in the process. Watch it level again. And we'll go ahead and take one more ride up to 4 and we'll watch the indicator this time.
I think he's leaving in 5 minutes.
Uh-oh, better hurry. Watch it level again. Take a look at the call button out here. Now the funny thing is the machine room is actually on the second floor. There's your door edge right there. It's just going to be going away too. The car doors are stainless steel on both sides, so we can't look up the shaft, but there's your interlock up there. It's an old GAO. We'll go back down to 1 now. Focus. Nothing on 2. Here's one good look at the fixtures.
Are you going down?
Yes, ma'am. Where the smoking sun will be. The good progress on the other one is they have completely ripped out the cabin. We'll take a look at the call button out here really quick. There's the call button, and like I said, the machine room is up on the second floor. Alright, there it goes, and rest in peace, 1971 Canton. You will be missed. That's it.